Next, go to condensation reaction. It's a very important one. Condensation reaction. First one, tropy. Tropinitrile condensation. Tropinitrile condensation. What are the condition? Presence of alpha hydrogen. Presence of alpha hydrogen. Self condensation. 2 alkyl nitrile. 2 alkyl nitrile. Third one, independence of sodium bar ether. Sodium bar ether. Let us consider the reaction. Take CH3, CH2, C triple bond N. Propane nitrile followed by CH3, CH2, Cn. Again propane nitrile. In the presence of sodium bar ether. Sodium bar ether. This is one of the hydrogen is acceptor. So, one of the hydrogen is acceptor to form imine. The structure CH3, CH2, C. CH3, CH2, C, double bond N, one of the hydrogen H, lone pair. Remaining CH, down CH3, Cn as it is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 imino. Third position imino. 3 imino 2 methyl. 3 imino 2 methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane nitrile. Pentane nitrile. 3 imino 2 methyl pentane nitrile. This is a condensation reaction. Once again repeat, like the 2 moles of propane nitrile, 1, 2, 3 carbon propane. So, CH3, CH2, C triple bond N, followed by another one mole of propane nitrile. In the presence of sodium bar ether. Sodium bar ether. One of the hydrogen is accepted to form imine. The product CH3, CH, C double bond NH. CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2. Again carbon. Double bond NH. One of the hydrogen acceptor. Remaining CH. Down. CH3. Cn as it is. Name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third position imino. 3 imino. Second position methyl. 3 imino 2 methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane nitrile. That is tropinitrile condensation. The next go to another one very important one. Levin and Hazer. Levin and Hazer condensation process to form keto nitrile. Keto nitrile. take C2H5 C double bond O C2H5 ethyl propanoate followed by ethane nitrile. This ethyl propanoate followed by ethane nitrile. This is one of the alpha hydrogen to attack C2H5O minus. This one of the alpha hydrogen is attacked C2H5O minus H plus kuda. The product C2H5OH byproduct C2H5OH remaining C2H5 C double bond O C2H5 C double bond O CH2 Cn. It's named as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 keto. Third position. 3 keto, 5 carbon, pentane, nitrile. 3 keto, pentane, nitrile. So, condensation, there are two categories. First one, tropinitrile condensation. The product become imino. Second one, 11 Husser's. The product keto, 3 keto, pentane, nitrile. Okay. The next go to alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide or carbylamine. Alkyl isocyanide. General formula RNC or alkyl isocyanide. Nomenclature CH3NC. Common name, IUPAC name. It's a common name, methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. IUPAC name, methyl carbylamine. Methyl carbylamine. CH3 CH2 NC. Ethyl isocyanide. Ethyl isocyanide. IUPAC name, ethyl. Ethyl carbylamine. Ethyl carbylamine. This alkyl, suppose aromatic C6H5NC. C6H5NC. This is a phenyl. Phenyl isocyanide. Phenyl isocyanide. IUPAC phenyl carbylamine. Phenyl carbylamine. So, common name, IUPAC name in general. Common name, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. So, alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide. IUPAC name, alkyl carbylamine. Alkyl carbylamine, that is nomenclature. The next go to preparation. Preparation of isocyanide. Preparation of isocyanide. preparation of isocyanate. First, number 1, carbylamine reactions. Carbylamine reaction. Take the primary amine CH3NH2. Primary amine followed by CHCl3 chloroform in the presence of 3 moles of KOH to gives the product CH3NC plus 3 KCl plus 3 H2O CH3N CH3NC. Potassium tetachlorine KCl. Hydrogen combines with the oxygen, that is water. It's named as methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate. Second, number 2, C6H5NH2 aniline followed by chloroform in the presence of KOH. The product C6H5NC. C6H5NC plus 3 KCl plus 3 H2O named as phenyl isocyanate. Phenyl isocyanate. In these types of reaction, carbylamine reaction is only undergoes primary amine, not a secondary and tertiary. One more question. Which one of the following amine it undergoes reaction, that is carbylamine reaction? Which one of the following amine is undergoes is a carbylamine reaction? This is only for the primary amine, not a secondary and tertiary amine. First method preparation. Second one, from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide, CH3, CH2, Br, ethyl bromide followed by AgCN, silver cyanide in the presence of C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. This is not a ionic nature, this is a covalent nature. So, nitrogen is attacked. AgBr replace. Nitrogen is attacked because of it is a covalent nature. So, CH3, CH2NC, CH3, CH2NC plus AgBr, CH3, CH2, ethyl isocyanate, ethyl isocyanate. Next one, N-methyl formamide. N-methyl formamide on heating in the presence of POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride, pyridine. Removal of water, 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, H2, 1 oxygen. Removal of water, remaining CH3NC, CH3NC, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen plus H2O, named as methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate. This is a preparation of isocyanate. Next, go to physical properties of isocyanates. Physical properties. isocyanate. First point number 1, it is colorless liquid, unpleasant smelling. Colorless liquid, unpleasant smelling, highly poisonous than cyanide. Point number 1. Second point number 2, less polar in nature, less polar in nature. Third one, boiling point and melting point less boiling point and melting point than cyanide. There are 3 physical properties. Especially important one is a highly poisonous one than cyanide. Next go to chemical properties. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of isocyanate. First one, hydrolysis. First one, hydrolysis. Methyl isocyanate hydrolysis to form primary amine plus 1 carbon. So, 1 carbon organic acid, formic acid. So, CH3 NH2 plus HCOOH, CH3 NC 2H2O, 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, 2 3 4 hydrogen, 1 carbon 2 oxygen 2 oxygen. So, 1 carbon acid, formic acid, CH3 NC, methyl isocyanate on hydrolysis to form primary amine, plus 1 carbon acid, formic acid. Second number 2, reduction. CH3NC, methyl isocyanate get reduction in the presence of C2H5OH bar Na, sodium, product H3, 3 hydrogen plus 1, 4 hydrogen, CH3 NH, CH3 NH, CH3. This is known as methyl group. So, dimethyl amine. So, dimethyl amine become act as a secondary amine. Come to the point. Methyl cyanate reduction, primary amine. Methyl isocyanate get reduction, secondary amine kuda. Note one more, methyl cyanate reduction, primary amine, CH3 CH2 NH2. This is a primary amine. Methyl isocyanate get reduction, CH3 NH, CH3. This is a secondary amine kuda. So, methyl cyanate reduction, primary amine. Methyl isocyanate get reduction, secondary amine. It's a very important one more question. Very important one more question. Next one, isomerization. Methyl isocyanate on heating at the temperature 250 degrees Celsius. 250 degrees Celsius, stable compound CH3C triple bond N, methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide isomerization. Next one, addition reaction. Addition reaction. Addition reaction, first number one, halogen. Second one, sulfur. Third one, oxygen. Addition compound is applied. Let us consider halogen, alkyl isocyanate react with halogen, the product or N double bond C. Addition number one. Second one, addition compound, sulfur, alkyl isocyanate, the product addition or N double bond C double bond S. Third one, oxygen or N oxygen in the presence of HGO or ozone, O3 or ozone, the product or N double bond O, that is addition compound. Next go to conclusion. Today we are discuss about cyanide and isocyanate. Cyanide and isocyanate, especially nomenclature like common name and IUPAC name. The next one, preparation, how to prepare cyanide, how to prepare isocyanate. The next, physical properties. To compare the physical properties like cyanide and isocyanate, so isocyanate is a poisonous than the cyanide, important one more. The next go to chemical properties. So chemical properties, especially tropic condensation, immunogroup, tropic, Levin-Hazar, keto, Levin-Hazar, especially condensation reaction for cyanide. Okay. Here next isocyanate. So isocyanate, general method preparation, preparation of isocyanate, physical property, chemical properties. Chemical properties of isocyanate, especially chemical properties of isocyanate, reduction, cyanate reduction primary amine, isocyanate get reduction secondary amine. Very famous one more question. The next from aryl halides, aryl halides. So aryl halides RX plus NaCN or KCN, potassium cyanide, sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide, the product RCN, alkyl cyanide. Suppose RX plus AgCN, silver cyanide, to gives RNC, alkyl isocyanate. Important one more question. Important one more question. NaCN and KCN cyanide and AgCN kuda alkyl isocyanates kuda. Okay? Right, thank you.